This is a 2025 Transit Custom protected for StarLine Solaris. So this is connected to an app. On here we can see statuses, everything. If we open the door, we get an update. If we lock the vehicle and arm the alarm, we get the protection bubble over the vehicle. We can see a load of statuses here as well. At the minute we're struggling with signal because we're in the middle of nowhere, and this is the best provider that they could choose for this area. So calls are a little bit delayed, but we still get our updates, we still know what's going on. Works off the factory key. If someone applies a force to any of the rear doors, it's going to trigger, it's going to fire off the horn, the hazards, and it's going to call you. So even if you're not in hearing distance of your horn, you're going to get that call, you're going to be alerted, and you'll be able to go out and see what's going on. If they grab the key, go to steal it. This also has an immobiliser, so this being a hybrid is running at the minute. It's gone to ready. If we select a gear, the vehicle just shuts down and switches off if the phone isn't present. So the Bluetooth's on at the minute. We're allowed to just drive it away, nice and simple. But if we turn the Bluetooth off, say someone did just grab your key, do your relay attack and go to steal your vehicle, they've got your key, they start it, we pop it into gear, it's gone to ready, it's running, select our gear, the vehicle switches off. We'll do it again, start it up, it's ready, we select the gear and it cuts out. So obviously we don't want to rely just on our phone to turn your immobiliser off, because these do go flat. So you have a push sequence where you can start it, go through a code. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 for our video. Our blue status LED gives us a flash to confirm our code's been accepted, and we can select our gear and drive away. When we turn the vehicle off, this sets straight away like you just saw, and if someone grabbed the key after you've just put the code in, you've just pulled up at home, you turn the vehicle off, when they restart it, the vehicle's going nowhere. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.